Hi everyone, welcome to our 60 DevOps course. Before I start the video, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We post new DevOps video daily at around 7 p.m. So today is our 23 now class where I will discuss Ansible Playbook file. So in the documentation, you can see this is the 23 now class, and for create the demo, we need to create a folder. So create a folder and get inside that folder. Then we have to create a host file. In that host file, you give a good name and you give your IP, Ansible user, and the location of the private key. So this is the main Ansible Playbook file. Here I give them Playbook is install and start Apache 2 on Ubuntu. Then we use host web become is yes, so it's run by as a root user. So task, we give the task name is update apt, or say apt module. This module will update the like a system. And next is install Apache, and that one is also like start the Apache and enable Apache. And there is a like copy module. I just create a like a subtext to put this in this file basically. So copy module basically we are using to copy any file from one to somewhere. So in this way we can basically create the content, and that content will copy to this file. So then we'll run the Ansible Playbook file. So we already know how to run Ansible Playbook. So what happened in this playbook basically it will update the cache, then install the Apache, then start and enable the Apache 2, then deploy a index.html file. So this is basically Ansible Playbook. So go to the console and do some basic Ansible Playbook file. Then we'll come back to this playbook. Then basically we understand how to like a playbook file work and how we can run those type of playbook file. Okay, so let me go to the console now. So this is a last class environment. So we have a Ansible master server, and these are our target server. So here is like a private key. This private key is public key is added in these two servers. So from this server I can easily SSH to this server in the host file. So there is a index file I created before. So there is a host file. So if you get the host, we can see this 2 IP is there. This 2 I use the private IP. This 3 server is hosted in the AWS. So I'm using 3 EC2 server. So these are our private IP. So like we will get the output very quickly. Okay, so let me create a like Ansible file first. Like last class we'll see how we can run ad hoc command easily. Like one easily ad hoc command is you can check the ping command. So same thing we will create here. So for Ansible playbook file, we need to create any name with YML or YAML extension. So just give me 1a.yaml. For starting the Ansible file, we need to first type C dash, then give a single dash, then name of the like Ansible playbook file, whole file name. It is the whole file name. So like I give the like ping check. Then we need to make sure where the server is run. So we need to run the host file. So I put all, that means in the host file there is 2 IP, both 2 IP will be work in this file. So like Ansible will run the command in those 2 IPs if I mention all. Okay, so now I need to like do the task. So task is the main thing what I need to do. So I need to write task. So in the task section, same way I need to give the name, and this is the task name. I can give anything like ping test. Then in the this is the ping module. So I need to write the ping module. Ping module have no argument, so we don't need to write anything. So basically that's it. So it will basically give the like if it get the IP, everything is fine. Then it will give the like green output and show the ping pong basically. Okay, so we'll save the file. So we already know how to run Ansible playbook file. So let's run Ansible playbook. Then we need to show the host file. So our host file is just in the same location. so that's why I put -i in host. Then I need to give the file name. So our file name is 1a.yaml. So if I run the file, so you can see we get the task, get that first, then it will do the ping, and everything is like green, that means it's get the ping request. So if anything is like red, then you can see some error is there. So this is like a simple ping playbook file, which we already see in our last class, where in the Ansible ad hoc command we show. Okay, so same way if we want to show any message, so let me go the file again. So vi, so we can run as many tasks as we want. So if we want to run same task file, just give a like a break and make sure the indentation is properly working. So we need to make sure the indentation is right. So this task name is right. I want to like give a name, like name is nothing, just make sure we can understand what task is doing. So like give the name print DevOps, as it will show a print. So for print message we need to use debug module. Then we need to like mention message. So our message is welcome DevOps. Okay, so it will here is a mistake. Print is nothing. This is like spelling is wrong, but it's no problem for us because it's only showing a message. Okay, so make sure like module name and thus the like command is accurate. So message images should be fine, and make sure the space is accurate. Okay, so let me run. So now this file will run two tasks. One is ping test, we already see. Now you can see the print, we type the wrong mistake, then you can see the what we put there, it will show basically here. So it will show the message for both IP, two IP, that's why it's showing two messages. Okay, so this way basically print message is working. Sometimes we need to show some like a debug file, so this will basically show the message. So now I show another simple playbook. Now need to create another playbook to a.yml start, and extension could be yml or yml, both are working fine. So vi to yml, so same way we need to type 3 dash then single dash, then we need to give the name double quote, so like copy file demo. So we need to make sure where we run the file, so host all, then we need to put the task, so make sure indentation is okay. In the dash there is a space, name, need to type semicolon. So now we give the task name, so like copy DevOps demo. Yes, I put anything. So now I need to write that like module name. So in the copy file we need to use copy module. Same way copy module have some argument, so we need to do some like inside the copy. So in the copy argument we need to have src. So here is the like file location. So this is this file have like I think Ubuntu home directory, so we need to use like home. We haven't created that file, so we need to create that file. So Ubuntu and like DevOps.text, we create a file named DevOps text. Then our destination should be like where the file will be copied. So same way basically both are, these all are Ubuntu servers. So home Ubuntu, same, we give the same name, DevOps text. If we don't give the name, we can, it's also work. So then we can also basically like owner, group, everything. So if we want to put this thing like who is the owner of this file, we also add this, and this information all is available in online in the like Ansible documentation. I already showed that one. So let me show you again. So before show that one, run that one first. Ubuntu, so group and run both are Ubuntu. So mode is executing. What mode? Read write mode. What do you want to put? Like I put 0664, whatever I put. Okay. So all are okay. So now save this file and Ansible Playbook. File name is 2 dot something. We have been created that file. That's why I get a create. So we need to create a file. We put that file location is Ubuntu, then home directory. Let me show. So we'll give location in the home directory, Ubuntu. Let me create a file. Echo welcome, then home Ubuntu DevOps.txt. Okay, now this file is there. So now if I run that file, Ansible Playbook, right? Same error got. Let me check. And basically I didn't see the error. I thought the file is not there, that's why I get the error. But our problem is we did that wrong spelling. So task should be TSKS. We put extra E there. So go to there. So VI2. So when you are using like VS Code or anything, then you don't need to fix those type of error. So like that file is there. Before I want to show that file shouldn't there, but now it's already done. So we can get this DevOps.txt file will be there. So let me check LL. We can see DevOps.txt there and LL DevOps.txt there. Also, if you want to cat, you can see welcome message also. Okay. So this way basically we can copy any file from our main Ansible server to our target PC. Okay, let me clear this screen. Now let me show the like user module. Before that I show the user module, let's show the like how we can get the basically this syntax. Let me go to the documentation. This is the basically Ansible documentation file. So all module list will be available here. So we need to just check that file and make sure how to write that file. So last one I will just use copy module. So in the left side we also filtering something. So like copy module is inside the file module. So we need to go to the file modules. Then here you will get like copy. So it's a copy module. So let me open the file. So like there is some attributes which attributes is used. If you go to scroll down the bottom side, you can see how this file is basically written. So you can see the name, and this the module name is copy, source and destination, owner, who is the owner of this file, who is the group of the file, and mode. So basically we can get anything syntax from here. So it's not very difficult, it's very easy. Just copy and paste that, do some like changing, like where we want to copy, which file you need to copy, the source destination file. So same way in the mode here they use numeric, and here they use like word wise. So user, read write, group only read option, and other also read option. So basically this numeric format, this is text format. So basically lots of something they do. So like what we need, we can go to the module and just check how to write that like context. Same way, basically, if we want to check the like system module, then service, if you want to like start stop any service, same way basically. Syntax basically same, just name, then give the module name, then the attributes. What like normally you can see what HTTP do, we can start or stop. So this module, if I start, stop, then stop, it restart, then it will be restarted, reloaded. Okay, so every information is there. Just you need to check this documentation file and like get the information. Okay, so let me go back to the like our lab. Now I will show the user module. So let me create a file again, vi3a.yml. Same way we need to type 3 dash single dash, then name, create a user. Spelling is no matter because I want to show you only. So host, just make sure at the left side this keyword like spelling is right, and also the indentation, so make sure there is a space. Okay, so host I need to do all. So task, last video we mistake the task spelling, so task, then we need to same way give the task name, create DevOps user. Then for user create, we need to use user module. So which module we use? We use that module name here. Then under that we need to use the argument. So for name we just give what user name we need to create. So we want to use DevOps user. Then like what home directory of that user, we already know home directory should be home. Then that username, so DevOps, and every user have a shell, so we need to go shell, so bin bash. Okay, so before I run the file, just make sure here no user is DevOps. You can see no user, both have. So both server have no user DevOps. Okay, so now let me run that file. Same way basically we run here just only 2 instead of 3. So we do a mistake. So for creating a user, we need a like sudo privilege or root privilege. That's why we need to use become yes. So go to file again. So 3a. So we need to add another line here. Become yes. Now this has like a root privilege. Now run this file again. So now we can see the all 2 IPs work. Okay, 2, no error. So if you go to the right side, ID DevOps, you can see user is created. Same way, go there. You can see like user is created. So you can also like check the home directory. You can see like DevOps folder is created there. So this way basically we can create user, we can like delete user, we can do anything. So basically these are the very simple playbook file. I want to show you to get some hands on how the playbook work. Now we'll go to our documentation and run the main playbook file. That file will be install Apache, run Apache, and create a index file. So let me go to the documentation. So here is the documentation. So I already explained what file we do. So let me copy that one and paste it here. So get 4a.yaml. Control C. Let me check the file again. This one is 4a. So basically when we see this is become yes, because for installing any software we need to visualize. So it should apt update, then it will install Apache, start Apache and enable Apache, and create a like file, and that file content will be put in the index.html. So like after that we can see this message when we browse those IP. Okay, so let me run that file. So Ansible Playbook -i host was 4a. So we did basically the mistake is like we don't put any web host. We need to put here there is no group name, so web. So if we give any group name, then it will be work fine. We are try to do all, so then all IP will work. So go to our file again, vi. So it will get the information of the server, then it will install Apache, then it will run the Apache, then it will copy the file. So now if I go to these two IP, then you can see that context is there. Okay, so let me go to the IP there. So before last class we used that one. So if I refresh that one, you can see that message is showing. If I refresh that one, if I show, this message is showing. So basically this way we can do lots of things by Playbook. Okay, so now go to the documentation again. So these are the documentation, and I write all the command what I use here. Also what file will do I also mention here. So basically and you can you don't use this IP, you need to use your IP. If you want to run locally, then just write localhost. Okay, so you will see the page what we write here. Okay, so let me scroll up. So I think we almost cover the Ansible Playbook section. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe the channel. In the next video I will discuss in different topics of Ansible. So up to that time, best of luck. Bye.